A dead thermostat battery can shut down temperature control and trigger unnecessary service calls while the heating or cooling system itself is fine. When a thermostat loses power from dead batteries, the display can go dark and the thermostat will often revert to an off state or to a backup mode that does not call for heating or cooling, so the system stops responding. Replace batteries on a predictable schedule, for example every 12 months or during seasonal service, and always use fresh, high-quality alkaline or lithium cells rated for the thermostat model. If the thermostat supports a common wire called a C wire, consider installing one from the furnace or air handler so the thermostat draws continuous power and does not rely on batteries for normal operation. During replacement check and gently clean the battery contacts with a small brush and a bit of isopropyl alcohol to remove corrosion that can prevent good electrical connection. When troubleshooting a no heat or no cool call, first confirm the thermostat has power by turning the system off and back on and watching for any display response or status LEDs before ordering parts or scheduling a dash. Technician. For smart thermostats, remember to keep your Wi-Fi credentials handy because a complete power loss may require reconfiguration after power is restored. Common mistakes include assuming the system failure is the furnace or air conditioner when it is the thermostat batteries. So always verify thermostat power first by checking the display or replacing batteries. That simple check often avoids a service visit. Another error is neglecting the battery contacts, where corrosion or loose springs prevent connection. So clean and reseat batteries and check for spring tension to restore reliable contact. A third problem is not using the common wire option when available, which keeps the thermostat powered and reduces battery dependency. So run a C wire during installation or use a power extender kit supplied by many thermostat manufacturers if pulling a new conductor is impractical. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find project guidance related to thermostat wiring and power solutions. We also help contractors find work and participate in our community discussions, where members share practical tips and wiring experiences.